Hello, my name is Akshay and welcome to this video. In this video, I will be showing you how you can read an image which is stored in any of your folders in your system using Python. So the library which we are going to use over here is OpenCV. If you have already installed OpenCV onto your system, then it will hardly take few lines of codes for you to write this program. So without wasting any further time, I'll directly go onto the code. As you can see on the screen, this is the code it takes to display the image which is stored in your folders. I have commented this code in such a way that it is easily understood if you just go through once. And no need to actually copy down this code. I will be mentioning the link in the description and also on the screen. So visit the link, copy the code and use it the way you want. So to begin with, the first line we will be importing the code itself, importing the library, that is import CV2. So this is the package we are using in order to display the image. Now, if you have not installed the CV2 package, I will show you the steps how you can go. First go to File and then Settings. And over here you will be able to find the option Project Interpreter under your project option. So just click on that project interpreter and on the top right hand side of the window you'll find a plus button. So click on the plus button and over here you will be able to search for the library which you're looking for. In this case it is OpenCV. Just click on this and click on install package. In this case I've already installed this package, so I won't be installing it again. I'll just close this window and I'll go ahead and explain the code. In the next line, I have described the path. So this is the path where my image is saved. So if you're not aware of how to find out the path, I'll show you. So on the left hand side, this is the image which I'm going to display. So if you want to know the path in the PyCharm ID, just right click on it, image, you'll find the option copy and then click on copy absolute path. So uh, once you click on copy absolute path, you will be able to find this code. So I'll just paste it again. So yes, just to confirm, yes, this is the path where the image is saved. So as you can see, if you just keep your cursor on that image, you will be able to see the image itself. So it will actually display the image. But let's focus on the code. On the next line, I have created an object and I've written cv2.imread. So the imread is the function through which you will be able to capture that image which is stored in the path. So I mentioned the path as well, comma 1. Now, if you want to, display the color image, then you have to mention the value as 1. And if you want to display the grayscale image, then put the value 0. I'll be showing you in this code itself by changing the value to 0. But for now, let it be 1. Uh, the next line, you can see I'm writing the imshow command. So this command shows the image, like it displays that image in a window, and it also gives you the liberty to name the window as well. So since the name of this image is Lena, I have mentioned the name Lena over here. For namesake, we can also change title. Title will be the name which will be mentioned on top of the window once we display this image. In the next line, you see cv2 dot wait key and brackets is 0. So the reason why we are putting wait key as 0 is we do not want the file to just pop up and then close. I'll show you what will happen if we do not mention the 0 in this wait key option as well. And the last option is nothing but to destroy all the windows once the image is displayed. So let's keep that aside for now. So yeah, so let me run this code right now. I'll press Shift Control F10 and it should, yes, it displays the image. So this is the same image which was stored over here in this folder in the path which I specified right now. And apart from that, yes, as you can see, the name of the window, it is showing title. This is the same name which will appear as you mentioned over here in the show command. Now, let me close this window for now. Okay, and I'll show you some of the possibilities in this code itself. As I said, if you change this number to 0 from 1, it will display the grayscale image. Let me display that. I ran that code and you can see the grayscale, that is the black and white image of the same image which you have mentioned in the path. That is the one thing which I wanted to show. And yes, this is the next thing. So suppose I mention wait key as 1. Okay, then or else let me just comment out this code itself, this line itself. Let me run this. So you would have seen a flash on the screen. That is nothing but uh, the image itself. It popped up and it went. The reason being, we have not mentioned the time it should stay on the screen. So that's the reason we are mentioning wait key 0 over here. Wait key 0 means it's an infinite loop. So the image will stay on the screen until we run a command or we close the window. So that's why it's wait key 0. So if I run this code now, it will stay on the screen itself and I won't be doing anything till the image will be there until I go ahead and close the image. That's how it works. Just change this to 1 again. Okay. And one more thing, if you want to display the image, for example, uh, you know, uh, 2 seconds, okay, you want to display that image, then as I have commented over here, you can mention the time. So whatever seconds you want to mention, seconds multiplied by 1000. Okay, so since I want to display it for 2 seconds, it would be 2000, the value would be 2000. So once I run this command, the window will be open for 2 seconds and then it will shut down. Yes, it's gone. It was just open for 2 seconds, and that's how the simple program works. Again, the link will be there in the description, so go ahead and you can use this code wherever you want in your project, or make the best use of it. If you feel this video is useful, do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. And I'll be coming up with more such videos in the future. This was just the beginning. This was just probably the first video in the complete video series of OpenCV which I'm planning to do. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.